Hey, good morning, everybody. Name's Justin Bradley. I'm going to share with you guys just a little bit of a tutorial on how to edge your lawn. So I happen to have a passion for keeping my lawn nice and neat, and these are a few of the tools here that you're going to need to edge your lawn in a couple different ways. So first and foremost, the tool you'll need if you've never edged your lawn is going to be one of these guys. This is your basic edger. And what this will do is this allows you to go into the ground, allows you to put your feet right on top, apply a little pressure. And in a moment, I'll actually show you how to actually press down with a technique that allows you to then obviously make a nice clean edge, but on the back end actually carve out that piece of turf that will allow you to be able to pull that out so it gives you a nice clean edge. Once you do that, you're going to want to either continue to keep using that, but I find a tool such as this, which is obviously your power edger. A power edger is going to allow you to just do things so much quicker. If you ever used a weed whacker, it's a very similar machine, except it's got a metal edge, and what this is going to allow you to do is actually go right along the edge and carve out exactly what you've already carved out with the turf manually with the manual edger. What I also always do too is once I've done all of this, or at least maybe once I've done my lawn maintenance or my lawn cutting, with the edger, my mower, I'll actually go around and then blow all the debris away, all the clippings, or in some instances it could be mud or dirt, turf, things like that. It'll help blow it away and keep it nice, clean, and neat. So in just a moment I'm going to show you how to do this, and these are the tools you're going to need. But again, one thing you're also going to need: safety glasses. I'm going to show you a quick way to obviously take the manual edger. You'll see that I have a nice, fairly clean edge. It does need to be cleaned up, obviously, from just traditional lawn maintenance, going around cutting, weed whacker, and edging with the power edger. But to give you just an idea of what I mean by using the manual edger, you'll see that I'm just pressing down right through the turf. And if I actually just press down, pick up, go, pick it up, keep going, it allows me to continue to keep going all around with the manual edger and gives me a nice clean edge. But once I get through that turf, one of the most important parts for you guys, if you've never done it or if it's just straight grass, no mulch bed, is on the back side of this. Now you're going to want to come in at an angle and cut that grass and turf away. So when you actually press down, you're going to come in at an angle. That's what's going to give you your mulch bed to be able to weed fabric and put your mulch bed over it, giving you a nice clean edge. Okay, so for the next part, you notice it gives it a nice clean cut, nice clean edge. And then of course when you come through with a weed whacker and trim off this, or you do a mow, it's going to make it nice and clean, nice and tight. All right, so last part was, if you notice, I'm going to point the camera here. I just did the majority of my front lawn, but obviously what kind of happens is you get your mulch clippings from the grass that now, you know, kind of bunch around the mulch bed and make it clump up, and the grass is a little unsightly, at least in my opinion. So what we'll do, you notice here, right along the sidewalk, there's dirt, little grass clippings and things like that. We're gonna get the blower and we're gonna bring that on through and just clean it all up, and then we'll be done.